This is the new Chrome feature called Split Tab, where we can have two tabs side by side in the same browser. And here's how to get it. So let's start off from here, where we have two separate tabs. All you have to do is right-click on the tab and then select Add Tab to New Split View. This is a new option, and when you click on this, here you can see on the left we've got YouTube, and for the right we have other options. So currently there's only Gemini, which is the other tab, so I can select it, and as you can see, both of these work side by side. So this is how to get a split view, but there are more features that you should know about. So you'll see this new icon over here, and if you click on it, you'll find many options. The first one is to separate views. So if you click on this, then both tabs will be separated like they were earlier. Then the next two options are to close either the left view, which is YouTube, or the right view, which is Gemini. And the last option is to reverse views. So if I click on this, as you can see, it switched. And now, if we don't need the split view anymore, you can just click on this and click on separate views. And as you can see, we're back to where we started. So I got back the split view to show you one last feature, and that's how to replace one of the tabs in this view. So let's say I want to remove Gemini and just put the Google search page. All you have to do is open that in a new tab. So that's open. Then go back to the split view. Over here, click on this button, click on close right view. And after that, I'll right click on the YouTube tab and click on add tab to new split view. And over here, they've asked for a tab to add. Just click on this. And as you can see, it's done. So this is how it works. And one cool thing is that you can leave the split view permanently in Google. So I can keep adding more and more tabs, but this one will remain in split view. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.